one thing that we know, when you set interest rates at zero and you've had all the stimulus, which has pushed the stock market up over 80% off of the bottom in less than a year, and brokerage commissions are zero, so it doesn't cost people to get in and out of their trades, you should expect that you're going to see a lot of speculative behavior. In terms of does this affect the broad market? Not really. First of all, it doesn't affect large caps very much at all. And even in the small cap universe, outside of a handful of names, 6, 8 names, this is having very little impact on broader themes throughout the market itself.
But the market did go down, broader market that is, last week by 3%.
Yeah, I mean, listen, 3%, that's not a really big number. This is a market that's barely taken a deep breath after going up. And then you had a market that was up 1.6% today on the S&P. So, we're right now, we're less than 2% from all-time highs. The market does not seem particularly perturbed by what's going on. Now, if you speak to Wall Street traders, this is all anybody's talking about because there's a lot of commotion going on in the markets. But in terms of the actual underlying market dynamics, it's much less important than the press is making it out to be, or the headlines are making it out to be.
Sure, but how much focus there is on the role of the regulator right now, whether it's in terms of revisiting the circuit limits, talking about, start-stop mechanism in trading activity, or even looking at or considering banning short selling?
Well, I mean, first of all, I'm not a regulatory expert, so I really, that's not my area of expertise. I would be more than shocked if they ban short selling in total and in a meaningful way. And there is a role for short selling a stock. It does create better price discovery. If you have the ability of people to freely buy and sell securities, it does allow the market to be more liquid. It does allow for better price discovery or determination, the appropriate price. And I would be really shocked if the regulators are going to make wholesale changes here. But they're going to want to understand why you've had a bunch of these stocks go up in like a rocket ship, and some of them are coming down like a rocket ship now, and they're going to want to understand that, and rightfully so.